Hi everyone, it's Chef Mark. Welcome back to the channel. Austin from Sous Bear sent me an email and said, can I send this to you? He didn't ask me to do anything other than just send it to me, so I appreciate that. So I'm excited to unbox it. I've had this all day. It's been just staring me down. Hey, open me, open me. Now I gotta tell you, it's not what I expected. When he said, can I send you a sous vide pump and some bags? I was expecting kind of the big, motorized, machine that everybody's familiar with. What I noticed is that these bags are reusable. We want to reduce plastic waste when possible, and sous vide can create quite a bit of plastic waste. I'm sure these have the whole BPA free, but I like that they're reusable. That's pretty cool. Never read the directions. That's just admitting defeat. Let's check it out. I got a couple sticks of butter here. Let's do some vacuum packing. The bag it's nice. It's about the same thickness as, let's say, the regular sous vide bag you might. Let's see, air valve. Okay, let's see what happens here. I'm just guessing. Oh, I gotta close it. Typically when I'm sous videing, I'm doing huge pieces of meat, like whole tenderloins. We might need to read the directions. All right, hold on, let me try holding it. Just need to get a positive contact here. Watching a man work at the very limits of his abilities. What am I doing wrong? Oh boy, I might have to read the directions. This is by no means a reflection on the quality of this product. Push air out by hand. Oh yeah, there it goes. It's totally working. It didn't feel like it was. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Look at this. You know what? I was pushing down and I just didn't think that it was getting a positive reaction. I love it. Other than my shortcomings as a sealer, this is a great product. Okay, clever box. I'm going to store in this box a lot of bags. I bet you can probably get, just guessing here, 4 or 5 uses out of each one. Labeled date if you have stuff in the freezer. That's important. You ever put something in the freezer and then you clean out your freezer once every 5 years and you're like, what the heck is this? Where did I get bear meat? Halibut cheeks? When did I go to Alaska? No one can remember. Label and date your food. I think I could get in 2 of these. I could get enough steaks, 2 of the big boys. I can get enough steaks in here, let's say 10-ounce New York strip steaks for a large cooking class, probably 10, 12 people, easily. I bet I can get 5 or 6 steaks in each one of these bags. I'll have more information. We're gonna be testing here. The first thing I'm gonna do when I start testing this is see how many trips I can get with one bag before it gives up the ghost. I mean, if you think about a sous vide package, you use it, you throw it out, that's a one-time use. I know some people cut it really long, use the bag, rinse it out, cut off the sealed end and then use it again and use it again. You can only do that so many times before the bag doesn't seal right with heat. I'm excited. I'd like to thank my new friends at Sous Bear for this product. I'm excited to give it a shot. We will have a link in the description as to where you can find the website. I'll have more videos coming soon. All right, thanks for tuning in.